Now, I'm discussing the summary of balance of payment of Pakistan, which is reported in State Bank of Pakistan. You can see the current account balances, export, import, current account on balance on trading goods. Um, right? How could you get the balance? If you subtract these value, export minus import, you will get this value. Export of services, import of services, balance in goods and services, uh, balance of trade in goods and services, primary income credit. These are the components of current account balance. From now, current account balance, if you summarize that current account credit, all the credit items, and these are the all the capital account credit, capital account debit, uh, right? Portfolio investment, financial discrepancy. This is the data which is giving the economical value of Pakistan. Uh, okay. This is current account, monthly current account balance. You can see the grayish bar is reflecting fiscal year of 2018, and the reddish bar reflecting the fiscal year of 2019. There is fluctuation of current account. Now we're discussing good market equilibrium in open economy. We are now ready to investigate the economic forces that determine international trade and borrowing. In the remainder of this chapter, we demonstrate that a country's current account balance and foreign lending are closely linked to its domestic spending and production decisions. Understanding these links first require developing the open economy version of the goods market equilibrium condition. In the last chapter, in fourth chapter, we derive the good market equilibrium condition for a closed economy. We show that this condition can be expressed either as desired national saving equals to desired investment, as the aggregate supply of goods equals the aggregate demand for the good with some modification. Let's begin with the open economy version of the condition that describe national saving equals desired uh, investment. We have discussed this equation equals to I plus CA is equals to I plus NX plus NFP, right? It's a version of the saving identity. It states that national saving has two uses. First is to increase the national stock of capital by funding investment, which is this. And the second is to increase the national stock of net foreign assets by lending foreigner. The current account balance is equal the amount of the fund that a country has available for net foreign lending, right? Also, this equation reminds us that the current account is the sum of net export and net factor payment from abroad. Uh, right? This is an identity. It must always hold for the economy to be in good market equilibrium. Actual national saving and national investment must equal their desired level. Um, if you put the desired sign D superscript, you can write this equation in the form of desired, saving a desired um, uh, state that in good markets, equilibrium is an open economy. The desired amount of national saving must equal to the desired amount of um, domestic investment plus the amount lent abroad. Note that the closed economy equilibrium condition is special case of this equation, which CA is equals to 0. Right? If you substitute, we can for simplicity, we are considering NFP is equals to 0. ST is equals to ID plus NX. Right, we are considering NFP is equals to 0. From in this equation, right? Recall that Y is equals to C desired plus D plus I plus G plus NX NX become, if you sub C plus I plus G plus NX, NX will be Y minus state that in good market equilibrium, the amount of net exports country spends abroad equals the country's total output less total desired spending by domestic residents, right?